Hello my crochet friends, here's one more version of the doily I showed before. I've improved one round, corrected another and updated the last round to make it prettier. Here I used cotton yarn and hook 2.1 millimeters, and here's the pattern. Chain 12. And make a slip stitch into the first loop. Do 27 double crochets. Chain 3 we count as the first double crochet, then 26 crochets more. All in all, there are 27 double crochets. Slip stitch into the third loop. The second round, chain 3, chain 5, 1 double crochet, skipping 2 stitches. Chain 5 and repeat. Slip stitch into the third loop. The third round, chain 3 we count as a double crochet, 5 double crochets, that is 1 double crochet into each loop of the chain according to the pattern. But I prefer to enjoy crocheting rather than struggle with the loops, so I'll do 5 double crochets under the chain. Here I crocheted 1 double crochet into each loop, and here all 5 double crochets under the chain. I don't see much difference, but it's up to you to choose. Keep crocheting 1 double crochet, 5 double crochets till the end of this round. Slip stitch into the third loop. Chain 3 plus 4 double crochets, chain 5, skip 1 stitch and do 5 double crochets, and chain 5. Skip 1 stitch and repeat. Slip stitch into the third loop. The fifth round, chain 3. Here we do 5 trebles together. This is the first incomplete stitch. The second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. Crochet 5 treble stitches together with 1 loop. Chain 5, 1 double crochet under the chain, chain 5, and 5 trebles together. Repeat the pattern. Slip stitch into the top. Round 6. 2 slip stitches, chain 4, we count as the first treble, plus 4 trebles here under the same chain. Chain 3, 5 trebles under the chain, chain 3, and so repeat. Slip stitch into the 4th loop. Round 7, 5 double crochets, and now pay attention to the alternation in number of stitches under the chains. 3, 3, then 4, and continue this sequence to the end of the round. Three double crochets under the chain, five double crochets, then again 3 double crochets under the chain, five double crochet, and now 4 double crochets under the chain, and so repeat. Slip stitch into the third loop. Round 8, 3 double crochets, chain 3, skip 2 stitches and again 3 double crochets, chain 3, skip 2 stitches and repeat the pattern. Slip stitch into the third loop. Round 9, move to the chain center with slip stitches, and chain 3. It's a double crochet. Then chain 3, 1 double crochet into the base chain. Chain 3 into the next middle chain, 1 double crochet, chain 3 and 1 double crochet. Chain 3 and repeat. Slip stitch into the third loop. Round 10. Move under the chain with a slip stitch, chain 5. It's a double treble crochet. Chain 1, 1 double treble, and repeat chain 1 double treble 4 more times. And so we got 6 double trebles and a chain between each. Then chain 2, 1 double crochet under the next chain of V, chain 2. Under another chain of V, we do 6 double trebles and a chain between each. Chain 2, 1 double crochet and repeat. I decided to upgrade the last round, add in picots. So now let's finish the previous round with a slip stitch into the 5th stitch and start the final round. Chain 4 and make picot. 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet and picot, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet and picot, and so repeat. Two single crochets, 2 single crochets, and so repeat. Here I finished like this with a needle. You may also finish with a slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off the yarn as well. For finishing, I soak the doily in a light starch solution to give it a bit of firmness and then pin it to dry. You can also skip the starch, just rinse and shape it like I show in the video. Which of these versions do you like more? With chains or picots, black or white? Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet ideas.